Om Sri Sai Ram. Dear students, welcome to Sri Satyasai Lokaseva Gurukulam online video classes. Continue the conic section. In the last session, we completed what is the parabola, standard equation of parabola, and some problems related on the parabola. So, in this session, we see definition and standard equation of an ellipse. What is an ellipse? Definition of ellipse and standard equation of ellipse. So, first observe here definition of an ellipse. Already we learned in the cone in the basic class, if E is less than 1, then the cone is said to be ellipse. Means E is nothing but we know that PS by PM is less than 1, means PS is less than PM is called, the cone is called an ellipse, where you know that what is P and what is P is nothing but any point, S is the focus, M is the point on directrix, PM is perpendicular to L. So PS is less than PM, then the cone is said to be ellipse. Okay, observe here definition first. An ellipse is the locus of a point. Once again, ellipse is a locus of a point. So observe here. Okay, here you have to see P point. So actually I draw whole I take the whole the figure directly here. 1.1 I explain here how it will come AE and minus AE like that. Okay. So first an ellipse is in the locus of a point. Consider P is the locus of a point. This point is always x comma y, which moves in a plane such that distance from the fixed point. What is the fixed point here? S is the fixed point. Distance from the fixed point means PS. PS, distance from the fixed point bears a constant ratio from the distance from the fixed line. Means what is the fixed line here? Distance from fixed line is PM here. Constant ratio means PS by PM is some constant from the fixed line, that is fixed line is PM, and this ratio is, this constant ratio is less than 1, correct? Less than unity, nothing but less than 1, means clearly we can say that PS is less than PM, then the cone is said to be an ellipse. Once again, an ellipse is the locus of a point, a group of points which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point means PS. Distance from a fixed point bears a constant ratio. It's to its distance from the fixed line. Ratio means PS by PM. This is the fixed line, no? Z here, PM. This ratio is some constant. That constant is less than unity. Fixed line, and this ratio is less than unity, means less than 1. That cone is said to be an ellipse. So come to the derivation. So very simple derivation. So draw the ellipse here, draw the ellipse. First you have to say P is the focus, sorry, S is the focus and L be the, here is given Z be or L, Z be the directrix of the ellipse. Okay, let S be the focus, here is S. Later I explain how it will come AE, okay, because the point lies on x-axis, y coordinate 0, but what about AE? AE I will explain later when we start derivation. Let S be the focus and ZK be the directrix, Z here and K. Sometimes we call this L. L or ZK be the directrix, S be the focus of, S be the focus and ZK be the directrix, and P. P is any point on the parabola. Always that point you take x comma y. P be the moving point. Draw SK. SK perpendicular to the from S on the directrix. Draw SK. S is here, K perpendicular to the directrix means L. This L perpendicular to the from S to on the directrix means draw the perpendicular. Let E, you take E, we don't know what is E is less than 1, we don't know what is value of E, but E is less than 1 an ellipse. Let E be the eccentricity, you take E be the eccentricity of the an ellipse. Divide. See this step is very important. Divide this SK, no, divide the SK here to here, SK internally and externally, at A and A dash. Here is A, here is A dash. A and A dash are said to be vertex of an ellipse. A dash. In the ratio on KS, you have to extend the KS here. KS produced on the KS, respectively in the ratio E is to 1. Means See SK, this SK is there, no SK, here to here. SK divides A and A dash. A is internally, A dash is externally. In the ratio E is to 1 is nothing but E by 1. E is to 1 as E is less than 1. What happened here? E is less than 1 such that like this, SA by AK is equal to E. SA by AK is equal to A. Clearly we can write SA is equal to EAK, equation number 1. Similarly, SA dash by A dash K, SA dash by A dash K is nothing but E. Means SK, the SK divides A dash. A is internally and A dash is externally. In the ratio E is to 1 means SA by AK E, SA equal to EAK, and SA dash by A dash K equal to E. This is E. What is SA dash equal to E, A dash K, equation number 2. Now we call equation number 2. Since A and A dash, here is A and here is A dash, A and A dash are the points such that their distance from the focus, here is the focus, S is the focus, A and A dash the points such that the distance from the focus bears a constant ratio, means SA by SA dash. SA and SA, distance from the focus, a constant ratio E is less than 1. Here is because definition of an ellipse is less than 1 to their respective distance from the directrix. Here directrix and here also directrix. Here also one directrix. Distance from the directrix. And so they lie on the ellipse. Clearly, this A and A dash lie on the ellipse exactly. Okay, lie on the ellipse. These points are called vertices of the ellipse. These A and A dash are called vertices of an ellipse. C is called center of the ellipse. Okay, vertex is different, center is different here. In a parabola only there is no center, only vertices is there. But here A and A dash are the vertices of an ellipse. So let A dash be the equal to 2A. Means you take CA is equal to A, CA dash equal to A. If you take A and A dash becomes 2A. A plus A is nothing but how much? Equal to 2A. And C be its midpoint. C be its midpoint, mid center of an ellipse. So this is becomes A and this is becomes A. CA equal to CA dash equal to A. The point C called the center of the ellipse. The C is called center of the ellipse. Okay. Let us start with derivation. We know that once again I write the equations here. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. The equation number 1 is SA is equal to EAK. Equation number EAK, equation number 1. And the second equation is SA dash equal to EA dash K, equation number 2. Correct. Let us start next here. Observe here. Figure is very important. Without figure, we can't derive that this standard equation of ellipse, because all depending on this figure only. Equation number, we know equation. I write once again equation number 1 here. SA is equal to EAK. This is equation number 1. In previous slides, we know previous slide. SA equal to EAK. Correct. What is second? Second is SA dash equal to EA dash K. Okay. EA dash K, equation number 2. Correct. SA dash equal to EA dash K. Now, equation number 1 means add 1 and 2. Equation number 1 plus equation number 2 gives, adding 1 and 2. Equation number 1 plus equation number 2 gives, adding LHS here. What is LHS? SA plus SA dash. Adding LHS separately. RHS you have to add here. E common. Here E common. AK becomes A dash K. Okay. Observe the figure. What is SA plus SA dash? We know that already CA equal to CA dash equal to A, or A dash equal to 2A. Correct? So what is SA plus SA dash? S is here. SA plus SA dash. Here is A dash. Correct? No? Here is A dash. Here is A vertex. SA. This plus SA dash. This totally means A dash. Correct? SA plus SA dash is nothing but A dash. I write here SA plus SA dash nothing but A dash equal to, correct, A dash. Next, E as it is. How can you write AK? Start from origin, measure from the origin, AK. AK, this length we need, no, this length, A to K. A is here, no, A is here, vertex. This is K. AK is nothing but start from origin. AK is nothing but CK minus CA, total length and this length, correct. AK is nothing but CK means C to K minus CA is nothing but AK. What is A dash K? We need A dash is here, not here, A dash is here. A dash K, we need A dash K here. Start from origin, A dash K, here to here. CA dash plus CK. CA dash plus CK. Correct. Need A dash K. Start from, measure from origin. CA dash plus CK is nothing but A dash K. Here CA and CA dash get cancelled because both are CA and CA dash equal to A. Minus A plus A get cancelled. You substitute here CA equal to A. This is minus A, this is plus A, get cancelled. We know that A dash is nothing but 2A. E as it is. CK plus CK, 2CK. CK plus CK, 2CK adding. Therefore, CK is equal to get cancelled. CK is equal to A by E. CK is equal to A by E. Observe here. C to K, here to here, means CK is equal to A by B. Therefore, coordinates of K is A by E comma 0 because the K lies on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Correct? This is called directrix, no? Therefore, actually we know the definition of cone PS is equal to EPM. We see E is less than one letter, EPM. So we need PS and PM. Then only you can derive the equation of an ellipse. Correct? First find PS, then find PM. Then substitute here, we will get the equation an ellipse. Okay, we can find PS easily. P is nothing but x comma y. PS, when we find, we know that a coordinate of S. We don't know coordinate of S. Already I wrote right here before only. Just I prove how can it will come A here. But so you know that just we find coordinates of K, A by E comma 0. So this is becomes coordinates of K is nothing but this point A by E comma 0. Then what is the equation of directrix? Actually this is directrix, no? You take any point here, A by E. Therefore, the coordinates of K is minus A by E comma 0. Means equation of directrix becomes x equal to A by V. Later we take all the formulas. Okay, equation of directrix becomes minus A by E. This coordinate becomes minus A by E comma 0 because this is a negative side, no? Equation of directrix here also minus A by E, plus A by E that side, minus A by E this side. Okay, now this point is over now. Actually we need this point because we need M point, no? What is there for M coordinate? M coordinate is what happened here? M is nothing but what is the value of x here? X here, A by E. Correct? What is the value of x here? Here is also x because this is the point lies on here only, this line Z. What is x by A by E? What is the value of y here? Observe here. This point is x comma y, no? This becomes y. Okay, let us see here first. Then, therefore, x the coordinate of K is A by E. Now find the coordinates of S. Coordinate of S is very important because we have to find A, no? First find the coordinates of S. Now equation number 1 plus equation number 2 gives CK, means coordinates of K. We have to find there. Now find the coordinates of S. In that equation 1, so right here equation number 2 minus equation number 1. Equation number 2 minus equation number 1 gives What happened here? First equation number 2 LHS SA dash minus SA here is equal to EA dash K minus EK. Okay. So SA minus SA dash. What is the SA minus SA dash? Now SA dash, S is here, SA dash here, minus SA. How can you write? Start from origin once again. SA dash can be written as, start from origin, S here, dash here. SA dash nothing but CA dash plus CS. SA dash nothing but CA dash plus CS minus SCA here. Start from origin once again. SCA, CA. We need SA, no? SA. We need SA. CA total length. CA. We need SA. CA minus CS. CA minus CS. Then we get SA. Outside is minus, becomes plus. CA minus CS. Because outside is minus sign, therefore you write here plus. A common. What is remaining here? A dash K minus AK. Okay. Here once again CA dash CA get cancelled because CA dash and CA equal to both are same. A. Suppose you write A here plus A minus A get cancelled. CS plus CS 2CS equal to E common. A dash K minus AK. A dash, where is A dash? Here. A dash K up to here minus AK. Here to here minus this much only means A dash. A dash K minus this much only AK means totally A dash. This is A dash. 2CS is equal to E. What is A dash is nothing but 2A. Once again 2 to get cancel. So CS equal to AE. CS equal to AE. Observe here. This length is CS. CS is equal to AE. Therefore, CS is nothing but AE. Coordinates of focus is AE comma 0. The point lies on x-axis, y coordinate 0. Similarly here, CS dash, the coordinates of S dash is minus, this is negative, origin, no, this is negative minus AE comma 0. Therefore, coordinates of focus is AE comma 0 this side, and write both means plus AE comma plus or minus AE comma 0. So this is called directrix. You know, this is L dash is the directrix. What is the equation of directrix? This the point S lies on the directrix. No, x equal to how much here? AE. Therefore, equation of directrix is x equal to AE. Observe here. Equation of equation of directrix is x equal to A by, this is equation of LR, not directrix. Equation of LR, latus rectum. Equation of LR is x equal to AE because the x point here CS is nothing but AE, x equal to AE. This is the equation of directrix. Okay. So we know CS equal to AE means CS equal to coordinate of S is AE comma 0. And next step is, we know coordinates. We find all the coordinates of first find, we know S already, we find the S. Take P, X, Y, M. Suppose we know K. Directly we can write M coordinates. Used by distance formula PS equal to EPM, we will get the answer. Let P, X, Y be any point on the ellipse. Okay. P, X, Y be any point on the ellipse. P, X, what about this point M coordinates? Suppose here is Y, in M coordinate here is also Y coordinate is Y. What about X coordinate here? You take any point in this line, the X coordinate is A by, X value is A by, means A by E comma 0, because the already we find no CK is nothing but A by E. If CK is A by E, this also same, M is also here also A by E. Here is Y. Here is X is Y 0 because the point lies on X axis, but here is the Y coordinate is Y. This point, this both are same. So here is Y, here also Y. Ellipse. Okay. By definition, an ellipse. By definition, an ellipse. PS is equal to EPM. We see E is less than, where E is less than 1. Later steps you have to write the values instead of some expression values. E is less than 1 here. So observe here, PS find by using distance formula. P, we know that. I write all the coordinates here. P point is x comma y. M is A by E comma y, and S focus is A comma 0. We know all in the figure. Observe the figure. PS by distance formula, root of, this is x1 y1 x2 y2. x2 minus x1 means x minus AE whole square plus y minus 0 square over PS. X minus AE whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Same here, give x1 y1. Once again PM. So I write here PM root of x2 means x, same x2. X minus x1 is nothing but A by E whole square plus y is nothing but y, again 0, sorry, this also y minus y whole square. What happen here? Squaring on both sides and simplification. Squaring on both sides and simplify. Root get cancelled. This is becomes x square plus a square e square minus 2ax or 2xae. Y minus 0 is y square is y square equal to, here also a minus b whole square. Here is e, sorry, you write e here. E as it is bracket a square plus a square by e square minus 2xa by e, 2ab, 2xa by e. Y minus y 0, 0 square is 0, correct? Now multiply e to bracket, here simplification. I write x square plus a square e square minus 2ax plus y square is equal to, multiply, squaring means this becomes e square, e becomes e square. E square into bracket multiplication is here remaining only x e square x square. This e square is multiplied here and here also. Means e square a square b square is nothing but a square get cancel. A square minus 1e get cancel, here remaining 2ax. Here is e square, 1e get cancel. So again minus 2ax minus 2ax get cancel. What is remaining here? Here remaining x square plus a square e square plus y square is equal to e square plus x square plus a square is remaining here. Just adjust the terms and simplify the answer. Find the answer. Now you take x square term this side, x square plus, you take x square term this side, this becomes minus e square x square minus e square x square, and keep y square as it is. Already we have r square a square, no? A square as it is. Take a square e square RHS minus a square e square. What is the common here? X square. X square common, remaining here 1 minus e square plus y square is equal to a square common 1 minus e square. Correct? Dividing both side by, divide both side by a square into 1 minus e square. What happened? Because we need RHS 1, no? Dividing both side by a square into 1 minus e square. X square into 1 minus e square by a square into 1 minus e square plus y square by a square into 1 minus e square equal to a square into 1 minus e square by a square into 1 minus e square. This to get cancelled, remaining 1 there. So remaining 1. Here is also 1 minus e square minus get cancelled. X square by a square plus y square dividing by a square into 1 minus b e square equal to 1. So observe here, You have to take a square into 1 minus c square equal to b. Take b square is equal to, or a square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square is equal to b square, because we know that e is less than 1. By definition, you have to use the definition here, a concept here. When you take e is less than 1, then only becomes whole term is positive. If you take e is greater than 1, means this becomes negative. Therefore, I take here a square into 1 minus e square equal to plus b square, not minus b square, because by definition of ellipse e is less than 1. The final answer is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the standard equation of the ellipse. Okay, so observe here, you have to see some result here. A is called the major axis. A is called major axis. This A is called major axis and B is called the minor axis. So we see some formulas: length of major axis, length of minor axis. What is the eccentricity? Next slide. Okay, I think you understand this derivation. So observe here some important formula: major axis of the line joining 2 points A dash, that is A dash is called the major axis and its length is 2a. Just observe here, this A to A dash, this is A, this is A dash is called major axis. Major axis is how much? 2a. This is A, 2a. Next, minor axis. What is minor axis? The line passing through the center and perpendicular to the major axis is called the B dash is called the minor axis. Length is 2b. So observe here, the line passing through the center and perpendicular to the A dash means this line B dash. This is called, means x axis is called minor axis. This is B, this is B. The length of minor axis is B dash equal to how much? 2b. B dash is 2b. Length of minor axis is 2b. Next, principal axis. The two axes together, major axis, minor axis, are called the principal axis of the ellipse. Both axes, means x axis and major and minor axis are both together is called the principal axis. Next, latus rectum. The length of latus rectum means, so observe the figure here, this is length of LR, this to this. This length is L dash is nothing but 2b square by A. Length of LR is 2b square by A. Length of latus rectum is called the length of line segment L dash is called the latus rectum and it's given by 2b square by A. Equation of directrix. I explain in the theorem only. Equation of directrix. This is the directrix, no? Here is Z and Z dash directrix. This point is A by E comma 0. Therefore, equation of directrix is x equal to A by E. This side x equal to minus A by. Mixed x equal to plus or minus A by. This is equation of directrix. Equation of LR. This equation. So one is x equal to AE. Here is AE x equal to minus A. Equation of directrix is x equal to plus or minus A by A. Equation of latus rectum not given here. So equation of latus rectum is x equal to AE, x equal to plus or minus AE. Next, eccentricity is given by eccentricity formula. Actually, we substitute here b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square, no? Then you have to simplify this one. You will get e square is equal to 1 minus b square by a square. So e equal to root of 1 minus b square by a square. This is the eccentricity formula of an ellipse. Okay. So we learned this class standard equation, definition of an ellipse and standard derivation of standard equation of an ellipse and some formulas, some important formulas. Problems we start next class. Jai Sai Ram.